Hello, Sairam students. Hope you all are doing your maths homework regularly. Yes. Now, children, do you remember in the last class what we have studied? Yes, in the last class we have studied how to multiply two or more fractions together. Correct? Okay, now today let us continue with part 4 of this chapter and learn how to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number and also how to multiply two mixed fractions together. Now before we start with our exercise, just remember that to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number, convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction and then multiply. Then convert the answer back to a mixed fraction. Okay? And simplify first if required. Now before we start with our exercise sums, let us start with an example. Okay, now here is an example for you. Here you have to multiply 1 whole 3 upon 5 by 2 whole 1 upon 2. Now here both the numbers are mixed fractions, correct? So the first thing what we have to keep it in mind is to multiply two mixed fractions, we have to convert them into improper fractions, correct? So when we convert this into improper fraction, it will be 1 into 5. First let us take the first fraction, plus 3 upon 5. So that will be 5 ones are 5 plus 3, that is 8 upon 5. Yes, the second fraction, mixed fraction, when we convert it into improper fraction, that is 2 whole 1 upon 2, that will be 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, that is 5 upon 2. Now what we will do is, we will multiply 8 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2. Okay, so 8 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2. Yes, now what we will do is, we will see whether the number is divisible. Now this 5 and this 5 you can cancel the common factor. Now 8 and 2, 8 is easily divisible by 2, so we will take 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So what is your answer? Your answer is 4. Okay, so first cancel whichever the common factor is there and then see whether if the number is divisible, and then you can just do the cancellation there itself. Just see in this slide, I've done it again. Yes, the first thing is I've converted 1 whole 3 upon 5 into improper fractions, that is 1 into 5 plus 3 upon 5, and the second fraction 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, now when we convert this into improper fraction, that will be 5 plus 3 upon 5, and the second fraction 4 plus 1 upon 2. So further when we do it, 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 5 and 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. Now here this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now 8 and 2, 8 is easily divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So your final answer is 4. Okay. So only one thing what you have to keep it in mind is, if it is a mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper fraction. So let us continue with our exercise sums. Exercise 5.2. Children, you have to do it in your notebook. Now here in exercise 5.2, the third one, that is multiply the given numbers. Now here children, the first one is 4 whole 1 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 9. Okay, so we'll convert the first one, that is 4 whole 1 upon 5, it into improper fraction. So when we convert this into improper fraction, that will be 4 into 5 plus 1 upon 5. So 4 5s is 20 plus 1 upon 5. So 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 5. And the second fraction is already a fraction. So you can, no need to do anything. So we can just multiply it with 5 upon, that is with 21 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 9. Now here this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Both are divisible by 5. Now 9 and 21, which is the common factor of 9 and 21, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. Now 7 and 3, is it divisible by any other number? No. So your final answer is, that is 7 upon 3. Okay. Here in the next slide, I've shown you the working. Yes. So first thing is, the first fraction I have converted it into improper fraction, that is 5 4s are 20 plus 1 upon 5, that is 20 plus 1 upon 5, that will give you 21 upon 5. Now 5 upon 9 is multiplied by 21 upon 5. So with this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. Now 9 and 21 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s is 9 and 3 7s is 21. So your final answer is 7 upon 3. Okay. Now coming to the next sum. Yes, here 7 is a whole number which has to be multiplied by the fraction, that is 4 upon 35. So what you can do is, you can directly multiply this whole number with the numerator. 7 multiplied by 4 upon 35. Okay. So now 35 and 7. Now 35 is easily divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. So your final answer is 4 upon 5. Okay. Just check your answer with the slide. Here I have solved it again. That is 7 multiplied by 4 upon 35. So here 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. So 1 into 4 upon 5. So your final answer is 4 upon 5. Okay. Coming to the third sum. Yes. Now here 21 is a fraction, that is 28 upon 7, improper fraction. And then the second one is a mixed fraction, that is 2 1 upon 4. So here what we will do is, first convert this mixed fraction, that is 2 1 upon 4, into improper fraction. So that will be, when you convert this into improper fraction, so 4 into 2 plus 1 upon 4. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 upon 4. So that will be 9 upon 4. Now this 9 upon 4 will multiply it with 28 upon 7. So 28 upon 7 multiplied by 9 upon 4. Now just find a common factor which is easily divisible, that is 9 and 27 is divisible by the number, that is 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Or you can directly take 9 1s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Again 3 and 9 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now 4 and 28. 28 is easily divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 7s are 21. Okay. So your answer is 7 upon 3. Now 7 upon 3 is an improper fraction. So improper fraction, you will convert it into mixed fraction. So when you divide this 7 by 3, you will get the answer as 3 2s are 6, Now 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 remainder upon 3. So your final answer is 2 whole 1 upon 3. Okay. So when you get the answer as an improper fraction, you will divide it and convert it into mixed fraction again. Just see the working in the slide. Yes. So first thing is 28 upon 27, and the second mixed fraction we have simplified it to convert it into an improper fraction, that is 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now 28 upon 27, so 2 fours is 8 plus 1 upon 4. Then 28 upon 7 goes step by step, students. 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 4. Okay. Now when you multiply this 28 upon 27 into 9 upon 4, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Okay. Now 28 is easily divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So you get the answer as 7 upon 3, which is an improper fraction. Now when you get an answer as an improper fraction, you will convert it again into a mixed fraction. So when you divide this 7 by 3, yes, we have already learned how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So when you divide 7 by 3, your quotient will be 2, that is 2, remainder is 1, and the divisor is 3. So 2 whole 1 upon 3 is your final answer. Okay. Now hope students you all must have understood how to multiply two mixed fractions together. Okay. Now based on today's topic, students, some home assignment sums for you, which you have to do it in your maths homework book. The first sum is 1 whole 5 upon 7 multiplied by 3. Second one is 2 whole 5 upon 3 multiplied by 2. And the third one is 18 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 14. So practice all the sums, students. Meet you in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you.